Hey y'all, this video here is about Achilles heel marketing, a term that I just came up last night with at 2 a.m. after talking to all kinds of school community owners. And this video here is to essentially break the fourth wall, go into everything that I've done to win the school games over 3 times. I can't win again, so there's nothing to sell you. There's no paid group, nothing. Your success is my success. And my only incentive is to create banger videos. And also, while you're watching this video, try to understand how I am presenting and relaying this information so that you can better relay info to your clients that resonates with them so you have effective communication. This is also extremely powerful, so please use it ethically and keep becoming better daily. So, why should you care about what Achilles heel marketing is? What is Achilles heel marketing, and how can I find the Achilles heel problem? That's what I'm going to be going over in this video here for you. So, lock in. This is how I won the school games. So, Achilles heel marketing is why you should care about it. These are the same questions that your customers are always asking you, which is the same reason why you're asking, why should I even care to watch this video? The idea of Achilles heel marketing is getting to the crux of the problem that your clients are dealing with. And instead of trying to hit every other angle of it, just find the one Achilles heel messaging that you can resonate them with so that they understand that you know what they're dealing with. How good you get at this will impact the messaging for directly how many free group conversions you have. It'll impact the group identity and the engagement, impacts your qualified lead percentage, impacts your strategy session, call take rate, impacts your sales percentage, impacts your marketing ROI from the ads, impacts your free cash flow to put it all back into ads. And this will also impact your churn rate. So very, very important. As you can see from the past video that I put up of how I won the school games twice, traffic into qualified leads, into one call closes, into revenue, into traffic. You repeat until you're done with the game. So again, what is the Achilles heel marketing? We are trying to find the problem that they have and bind that with your solution. Into the next video called Death Star Offers, I will show what is a good offer so that you can create one that they want that isn't so hard that you're breaking your back to be able to fulfill for them. But the problem and your solution together is your total addressable market. So how do we find the problem? Intuitively, if you do not already have an idea, you need to go back about 100 times deeper onto your niche or pick one you care about more. So a different niche that you can really automatically be dialed in with it based upon your previous experience, things you like, or things that you think that you can create an offer for that will be beneficial to your people. To find the problem, you can go into Reddit groups off of the questions that you get from your clients, or just do a lot of market research onto the problems that people have. We go into Reddit groups because this is an anonymous source of questions being answered. You can also use Quora, but Reddit is really awesome because people will use the actual messaging that they want to be sold onto because they're communicating between each other with it. So they're not going to use fancy marketing terms like everybody wants to use around here. They're going to be talking in plain English with the problems that they have. You can also preliminarily use ChatGPT to find a kind of thread of what you think it is or discover new additional problems that you may not have had seen, and then take those back into Reddit and then just keep filtering it and filtering it until you get a messaging that is very important to your people. This is also, again, why if you do not already intuitively have an idea, you should go about either 100 times deeper onto your niche or just pick another one, because you should have already an idea off of what I'm saying here of what is important to your niche. This is from the real life experience from the people you've talked to, or as well surveying existing users. Keep this to 1 to 2 central messages and issues max. The rest can be bonuses to put onto your about page or inside of your marketing that they get. So for example, instead of your free 14 floor coating gifts giveaway is here, which, where's the value? I mean, sure, it's 14 things, but I have zero idea what I'm getting. Or if I laid it out, I'm going to be forgetting the 12th one when I'm already on to the 14th, or the 7th when I'm already there. And I'm like, geez, you guys just gave me a lot of stuff to do for no reason whatsoever. So keep it to the one central ideology. If you can mix in authority, expertise, and real life results, it's going to even bang harder. This is your lead magnet. How I sold 1.8 mil of floor coatings in 2 years. That's a banger because it's me, it's expertise, it's authority, and it's real life results. How I get 11x ROI marketing my floor coating business. That's real life. That's me. How we complete $20,000 of coatings per week with only 2 employees. That would be operations, marketing, and this would be selling. So I could start with this one here, test it out, see how the audience resonates with it, and then put these as bonuses. Bonus. And also into my VSL, I could say, hey, I know you're coming here for the 1.8 mil of floor coating sales in 2 years, but you're also going to need to know how I actually generated all of those leads and how we completed all of that work. So I wanted to give you those as a bonus as well. You can only imagine that your conversion rate is going to go up through the freaking roof. So do that. If you have any questions, drop them in the thread down below. So another point that I just want to keep drilling, and I want to show as many examples as I possibly could. And this also here came from a mental wellness coach that was dealing with stress, anxiety, fear, and also just depression. Well, stress, anxiety, and fear are almost all the same thing. So that's what they need to drill down on alone. And then maybe the fear could be, or maybe the depression could be a bonus kind of thing. They also were talking about hydration, getting rid of antioxidant or getting more antioxidants, getting rid of oxidation, getting rid of inflammation. Those could be the bonuses that they could put. But you need one central message to the people so they know, why am I even joining this? What is this community about? And then the bonuses can help them get over the edge if they find value in the bonuses as well too. The bonuses should be standalone offers alone. Like they should be that good to sit on by themselves with it. So we're trying to find the straight pain point that isn't automatically obvious, the Achilles heel of marketing. This is one from Jesse, who is dealing with hair loss. So your 7 hair infomercials in, and you've put every oil/roller onto your head. You've taken every pill, and it still isn't working. Realer, the better. The realer that we can get with it, the better. This could then go in from a Instagram reel into a DM, into a YouTube video, into a free group, into a hair consultation call, and as well having some educational different types of hair loss to show expertise inside of it as well too. Another one is these are the hooks for the pain points for them. Are you finding more hair in the shower day in and day out? Do you only feel comfortable going out with a hat on? Again, why I say this is so powerful is because these are getting to the cruxes of the problems, of the issues, of the things that these people are dealing with every day. So we really need to be careful, and we need to ensure that we're actually providing value based upon that instead of just really messing with people. Have clear solutions, have great offers, have great results. Otherwise, you will hurt the people. But again, as you can see, we're going after one crux, and that's it. See you on the next video. Death Star offers. Drop a comment down below in the thread if you have any questions as well too. See you on the next one. Peace.